Welcome, everyone. Today, I am not here to give you temporary motivation. I'm not here to make you feel powerful for a few minutes and then send you back to the same habits, the same distractions, and the same life. I'm here to give you something real, something I never received when I was younger, not in school, not in college, not from books, not from society. All I ever heard was work hard, be patient, stay positive, and keep believing. But nobody ever taught me what to do with my mind, how to control my time, or how to survive the days when I failed, when nothing worked, and when I stopped believing in myself. I had dreams in my head, but no clear path in front of me. Every morning, I woke up with ambition. Every night, I went to bed with regret. And slowly, one question began to repeat inside me. How do people actually achieve something in life? Not just talk about it, not just dream about it, not just watch others succeed, but truly build something, become something, and live something meaningful. For a long time, I thought the problem was me. I believed I was not smart enough, not disciplined enough, not lucky enough. I watched other people grow, improve, and move forward while I stayed in the same place. And I kept asking myself what they had that I did not. Then I realized something that changed everything. Most people are not failing because they are weak. They are failing because they were never given a system. No blueprint, no structure, no rules for how the mind works, how time works, and how success is actually built. So I stopped waiting for answers from outside. I stopped hoping that someday things would magically change. I started studying how life really works. I studied people who came from nothing and built something. I studied psychology, discipline, and personal growth. And slowly, I saw a pattern, a system, a repeatable process. And today, I am giving you that system. I don't care where you're starting from. You can be broke, you can be rejected, you can be late, you can be tired, you can be alone. None of that disqualifies you. What disqualifies you is staying careless, staying comfortable, and staying distracted. If you take what I'm about to share seriously, if you apply it daily with discipline instead of emotion, your life will not be the same. 1. Reprogram your mind. The first truth you must understand is uncomfortable, but it will free you. Your brain is not designed to make you successful. Your brain is designed to keep you safe. Safe from embarrassment, safe from failure, safe from discomfort, safe from uncertainty. That means the moment you try to change your life, the moment you try to start something new, take a risk, learn a skill, or move out of your comfort zone, your brain sends you fear, doubt, laziness, and anxiety. You think something is wrong with you. You think you're weak, but nothing is wrong with you. Your brain is simply doing what it was built to do. Protect the old version of you. This is why growth feels hard. This is why discipline feels heavy. This is why most people quit when things become uncomfortable. They think the discomfort means it is not for them. But the truth is, it feels hard because your brain is fighting change. Your brain is not fixed. It is trainable. It rewires itself based on repeated actions, not based on motivation, not based on wishing, but based on what you do again and again. If for years you have told yourself, I am not disciplined, I always quit, I am not confident, your brain has accepted that identity as reality. But the moment you start taking small, disciplined actions every day, especially on the days you do not feel like it, your brain begins to change. Slowly, quietly, powerfully. You do not become confident by waiting to feel confident. You become confident by acting when you feel afraid. You do not become disciplined by hoping for discipline. You become disciplined by practicing it. Action first, identity later. Discipline creates the person you want to become. If you want a stronger life, you must train your mind like a muscle. If you do not control your mind, it will control you. 2. Decide exactly what you want. The second truth is just as powerful. Most people never achieve anything because they never truly decide. They live in confusion. They say, I want a good life. I want success. I want happiness. But vague goals create weak actions. The brain does not move with confusion. When there is no clear direction, the brain chooses comfort. That is why people stay stuck in the same routines, the same jobs, the same problems for years. Not because they lack talent, but because they never chose a destination. Life rewards the decided. Life ignores the confused. Deciding does not mean dreaming. Deciding means committing. It means saying, this is what I want by this time, no matter how uncomfortable it gets. When your goal is clear, your brain starts working differently. You begin to notice opportunities you were blind to before. You begin making decisions based on your future, not your feelings. You must write your goal down every day. Not once, not sometimes. Every single day. Writing is not a motivational trick. Writing is a command to your subconscious mind. When you write something again and again, your brain says, this is serious. This is important. This is who I am becoming. Over time, your self-image changes. You stop thinking, I hope I can. And you start thinking, this is who I am now. And remember this for the rest of your life. You will never outperform the image you hold of yourself. Change the image, and your life will follow. 3. Track actions, not results. The third truth separates dreamers from achievers. Most people track results. They wake up asking, did I succeed yet? Did my life change yet? When the answer is no, they feel frustrated and they quit. But you cannot control results. You can only control effort. And effort, repeated daily, shapes results automatically. Think of a farmer. He does not dig the ground every day to check if crops have grown. He waters the soil, he removes weeds, he protects the land day after day. He focuses on what he puts in, not what comes out. And one day, without magic, the harvest appears. Your life works the same way. If you only look at outcomes, you will feel weak and impatient. If you track actions, you will feel powerful and in control. Ask yourself every day, did I learn today? Did I practice today? Did I move one step forward today? If the answer is yes, the day is a win. When you write your daily actions down, your brain sees proof. I am serious. I am moving. I am not lazy. That proof builds real confidence. Not loud confidence, but silent strength. Small actions written daily become massive power over time. One day you will look back and realize you did not change overnight. You changed because you showed up every single day. 4. Master your 24 hours. The fourth truth is about time. Everyone on this planet has 24 hours. The billionaire, the student, the worker, the unemployed. The difference is not time. The difference is how time is used. Most people do not lose their life to death. They lose their life to distraction, endless scrolling, useless conversations, mindless entertainment. Then they say, I didn't have time today. That lie cost them their future. Time is the one thing you never get back. Not 1 hour, not 1 day, not 1 year. If you want to achieve anything, you must treat your time like a weapon. You must design your day instead of reacting to it. You must protect the hours where you build your future. 2 focused hours every day, used to learn, build, and grow, will change your life faster than 10 distracted hours ever could. You do not need more time. You need better use of time. Your future is built in what you do when nobody is watching. 5. Protect your focus. The fifth truth is what holds everything together. You are not lazy. You are distracted. Your attention is being attacked every day by notifications, apps, opinions, noise, and endless information. Whatever steals your focus slowly steals your life. Focus is not about intelligence. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses clarity, depth, and creative power. Multitasking does not make you strong. It makes you weak. If you want your potential to survive, you must defend your attention. You must create daily deep work time when nothing is allowed to interrupt you. No phone, no messages, no noise. Just you and your mission. Remove low-quality distractions. Protect your mental space. Because one day, you will either look back with pride and say, I built something powerful, or you will look back with regret and realize you traded your attention for nothing. Let me leave you with this. Success is not a miracle. It is a system. Train your mind, decide your direction, track your actions, master your time. Protect your focus. Do these 5 things consistently, and your life will change, not by luck, not by motivation, but by design. If this video helped you even a little, like it, share it with someone who needs direction, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, Motivational Mentor, for more real, powerful content on discipline, mindset, and success.